Welcome to our latest tutorial on managing your Facebook notifications. Today, we're going to show you how to receive SMS notifications for Facebook's People You May Know feature on your PC. This new update allows you to stay connected with potential friends and acquaintances, even when you're away from your computer. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Facebook's website. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the page. You'll see the familiar notifications icon. It looks like a bell. Click on this icon to open your notifications panel. Next, you'll notice 3 dots in the upper right corner of the notifications panel. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Notification Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize all your Facebook notifications. Now, scroll down until you find the People You May Know section. Click on this to expand the options. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see an option to enable SMS notifications for this feature. Simply toggle the switch next to SMS to turn it on. And there you have it. You've successfully set up SMS notifications for Facebook's People You May Know feature. Now, even when you're not actively browsing Facebook on your PC, you'll receive text messages about potential connections. This feature is particularly useful if you're looking to expand your network or reconnect with old friends. Facebook's algorithms work tirelessly to suggest people you might know based on mutual friends, shared interests, or other factors. Remember, you can always return to this settings page to adjust your notifications if you find you're receiving too many messages. Facebook gives you full control over your notification preferences, so feel free to customize them to suit your needs. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.